let me just jump right into it and thank ILikehair for sponsoring this video. And in the package, I received these goodies. And the wig that I received is a 10-inch straight virgin hair, and the color is in natural black. And when it comes to the lace dimension is 6.5 by 5 inches closure wig. So from side to side, or I should say at the front, is 6.5 inches, and from the front to the back is 5 inches. And with the lace, it is HD, so it's going to lay flat on the skin like next to nothing. Hear that? And you're getting pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and pre-plucked hairline, so no plucking right there, and a proper blood cut. So back to the parting space on the lace. It is very limited. You understand me? This is just for our center part. You can do a side part if you're not into that deep side part. Oh, and they also put makeup foundation on the lace. I don't know if it's like for promotional purposes. I don't know, but hear what? It's there. So right now we have a new and improved wig cap, because you know with these wig company they always have some new invention when it comes to their wigs. So this is their adjustable Velcro cap. This wig cap can give you a standard fit, like it designed for you to customize it to your head circumference, but you may have to cut the Velcro if it is sticking out. And at the ears, you have a C-cut shape for a comfortable wear. And the wig cap is stretchable. So this is me fitting it, and that was it for me, because I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna use this wig cap, but they want me to demonstrate it, so I have to come back and reshoot it. So this is how the wig is made, but without the hair on it. So this is basically a guideline at the front. As you can see, with the Velcro at the back, you are able to adjust it to any head size. But just bear in mind that if the Velcro is sticking out, the part that doesn't stick, you can fold it or cut it. I'm not gonna wear this. I'm gonna go with the HD wig cap because the wig itself is HD. So with the two of them being thin, it's only right for me to combine them together. You understand me? So I'm gonna take the scissors and open the stitch part because I don't want the double fabric to be showing. So we're not cutting the wig cap, just opening the stitch part. And because I'm not using any glue to stop the stocking cap from rolling up, just try to lay it down so there is no fold, no roll, no nothing, right? Because it's gonna peek through that lace and you don't want that. So what I'm gonna be doing is putting my touch on it, giving it my sauce. So just sit back, relax, and watch me do my thing.
Here we are, right here together, side by side beside each other, drifting through the sweet melody.
The girl is done. Yes, she is outside Babianaing right now without cutting or trimming it up. Like, they did an awesome job on the blonde cut bob. Like, listen me, it cut to the tees. And the style is easy to maintain and is beginner friendly, like wear and go. No extra work is required. Like, hello? And I love the quality. It is smooth, shiny, has body and manageable. Like, come on now. And with the Velcro, you can adjust it freely, so no need to worry about how the wig fits. It is suitable for any head size. Overall, zero glue needed. Definitely a wear and go with a little touch, and that is it. Anyway guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will link the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.